Hash browns and what kind of sandwich is that? Just bread, eggs, waffle,
Perfect like bacon.
lamb bacon.
Hey.
My beautiful wife. Tired of me. Got the chicken cheese grit bowl with some butter. Yummy. Look at that. That's a triple Dave's burger. Ketchup, mayonnaise. Woohoo. She had to get a Greek salad. And we got the banana peppers, tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, and onions. I don't know what that is. I can't use that.
Pepper.
A stromboni full of hamburger with some sauce. Woohoo! Looks like a big shark fish on it. Baked ravioli. It's all cheesy. My wife likes that. Instagram. And look at that. Got the chicken and the greens and the cheese and the burger. I went to Sam's about probably, I don't remember when it was, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I was looking for diet green tea with citrus, but I was looking for the Lipton brand because I can't have C. So my daughter went with me today, and on the other side, they had like 2 rows of pallets. So one pallet was the Lipton green tea, and they didn't have the diet. Well, this is the Sam's brand, which is Member Mark. So Sam's had it in their brand, the diet green tea citrus. It's like $9 for a big old case of them. So I think it's a better deal. And I got water and my Fuji apples. So, I got 3 things on my list. So, I found a cheaper place to get my diet green tea. Isn't that cool? And it tastes just like the other ones. So I'm happy. So sometime when you got people with you, they see things that you don't see. All right. We had this filter. So it was made in India. It was C3 something, the 590825. We had to get this filter, so hopefully it works. Let's see. They said as long as I don't tear it up too much. All right. I got to record. I can't see this. Yeah, this is awkward. Me last minute. So I got this. And the only thing, I don't know if I'm doing this right. Or maybe. All right, 1 says you take it off. I took it off. There it is. And then 2, you put it on there. And 3, you take the foam off. So I don't think you're supposed to. Maybe take the foam off. But that just looks retarded. Why they got that on there? Aggravating. All right. So, all right, we did that. Let's see if this one works. There's the old one. That's how the old one fit. So there's a new one. Looks like it fits. This thing is kicked my butt. All right, got my air filter. I talked to my buddy today, and he said this is to keep the filter clean. So I don't know if you're supposed to have that on there or not, but I'm gonna go in here and write these parts down so I know which one I got to get. So I was confused about what filter I needed. Now I got a filter in my lawnmower. We come back here again today. I have to delete that. Beautiful clouds. Go to the Waffle House, get to see some cool clouds. Like that, look at that. We got the chicken bowl with grits. My wife decided to get the same thing. So if you hang out with me enough, you'll start looking like me and you start eating like me. Ooh, yeah. Very cool. Got the sunset. Beautiful sunset. Wife made spaghetti in that. And she got spaghetti too.
I just added onions and bell pepper to mine.
Onions and bell pepper. My wife cooks separate because I can't eat the onions and bell pepper. Broccoli and cheese and rice. Not bad. Look at that spaghetti. It's really cheesy. Got dark green tea. Texas bacon cheesesteak with hash browns and pickle roll. And coffee. Tea. I got my coffee. Yeah, I just do 1 cup of coffee. I couldn't give it up for 5 days, so I'm doing my coffee again. See that? The chicken bowl with the cheese and the grits and a butter.
Get back.
Ice cream sandwich. Ooh. Look at that. That's a chicken biscuit with egg and cheese on it.
Sweeter than hell.
Woohoo! Chicken biscuit with egg and cheese.
Giant.
Boy, that's a good woman right there. She pumping the gas. Ain't that sweet? I love you, baby. This right here is a bear cat, usually in Asia, but they smell like popcorn.
See, I captured this one, but I
No
think
longer red beard.
But
White,
it does poison damage.
white and red beard. So the white, red, and blue.
So you are white.
A white,
Daddy.
white, red, and blue. I look like an American flag. The American flag beard.
I want to get.
My hair fell out on the top of my head.
Yeah, I'll take the top off.
Oh, you see that? My beard hairs are falling out now. So I'm fixing to be bald on my beard. That's something.
Video games I need to
Waffle
buy.
House coffee.
Jacks me up, wakes me up.
Keep
makes
my
me
life away.
feel.
I've had 1 cup of coffee and I'm sleepy.